So this is our first time flying with Copa Airlines, and right now we're at JFK Terminal 4, waiting for our international flight to Guatemala City. We actually have a layover in Panama City first, and the whole round trip cost us around $450. We made sure to get here about 2-3 hours before our flight, just to be safe. If you didn't do mobile check-in, you can grab your boarding pass at the kiosk or the counter, and if you got checked luggage, that's where you drop it off too. We actually did mobile check-in ahead of time, so for us it was just seat assignment. You can get a random seat for free or pay extra if you want a specific one. One thing I noticed, they didn't really check the size or weight of our bags. As long as it looks like it's within the legal limit for personal items and carry-ons, you're good. After that, just follow the signs to immigration. They'll check your passport and flight ticket. Then you go through security, so make sure your bottles or tumblers are empty or finish your drink beforehand. Honestly, the whole process was super smooth. No facial recognition scanners here, at least not that we saw. Once you're through, you head to your gate, and good news, stores like McDonald's and Starbucks were still open, even past 11 p.m. Not sure what time they close, so if you're hungry and still have time, it's worth grabbing something. Terminal 4 is pretty spacious, so expect a good amount of walking. I also refilled my water bottle at one of the water stations, usually near the restrooms, and we actually packed our own food too, a chicken carriage bowl. The container kept it sealed properly, and it was really good. Makes sense why we'd be hungry, honestly. Almost 2 hours just getting to JFK, then another 3 hours before the flight. So if there's any delay, or you just want to save money, packing your own food is a smart move. You can even bring it in a Tupperware as long as it's not liquid. We ended up boarding about an hour before departure. They called groups pretty quickly, and it was smooth the whole way through.